Hey guys, Zachary Kepes, Zack Ventures, Trash to Cash. Here is a day in the life of a true full-time investor here in Arizona. Already started the day, early walk with the dog, and of course the gym. Get the energy flowing, feel good, bring that positive energy. Your energy enters the room before anything else, as everybody knows. This is the first asset. This is a typical Friday for me. Had one of my students was looking for a home in South Mountain. Their family lives right around the corner, and they said, Zach, when you get a 3-2 in South Mountain in this area, you call me. So what do we do? Lock this bad boy up, got the 3 beds, 2 baths, letting them design the property. They're gonna do a lease purchase so they can get their credit and everything ready to go. They're gonna move in here. They design it exactly how they want. So we're literally gonna make it a win-win situation for the student, for myself, for the contractors. Let me take you through, show you what's going on. You can already see all the new fascia, brand new roof, brand new AC. Just a gorgeous home right out the front. You got gorgeous South Mountain views, really beautiful area. We got a lot of opportunities and flexibility with what we can do with the front landscaping. Gonna be epic. We got the gorgeous new floors coming in right here, looking solid, and nice plank. I think these are 6x24 planks right here, looking really good, very neutral. We got an exposed beam, we got our white shaker cabinets, a nice size island, a little dining table here. Before, the laundry room wasn't connected, so we had a little square footage here and ran ducts in here. We had to cut, and you can see where we saw cut the concrete to create a nice little laundry room in here, which is great. So you got all the new plumbing coming in here. You got all the hookup valves and everything else, the clean out, electrical, everything to code, brand new water heater. Got a really nice size wide hallway. We raised all the ducts because it felt congested. We got another full bathroom right here that's about to get installed. They want to tile throughout because they got young kids, so this is looking really, really good. We got a full master bath in here, super wide, a walk-in closet on the master side. Looking sweet. I'm excited. This is a big walk-in for them. So Jonathan and Cassandra will be looking solid in this bad boy. Big lot, tremendous potential. Long-term, they may have their parents or in-laws living here, so they could probably do some sort of build in the future. And this lot just offers tremendous flexibility with the growth of their family. It's a great price point, under 300K, and everyone's happy. So if you can structure a deal that's a win-win-win situation for everybody, you're doing good things. Out here at another property, you can tell we got the Trash to Cash dumpster over here. We're public services. Boys are on side. This one's already pre-rented. Out here meeting another crew. Full gut remodel. This place was disgusting. It's a full gut remodel. 4 beds, 2 baths. Let me bring you inside, see what's going on. What I'm doing now is, again, walking the project, answering any questions the boys have, paying the boys. I got a lot of workers here, as you can tell. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different crews and trucks here working simultaneously. So we are cranking. Time is money, and I got tenants waiting to move in this bad boy, so I'm really pushing the boys to get it done, but not jeopardizing quality. Let's come inside. How we doing? Ooh, Daddy, looking good. Looking real good. This one used to have a wall in the middle, a nasty ass kitchen. I got you mirrors, and I also got you handles in the car. So one of the things you gotta do is be proactive. I don't want Carlos and the guys going out, ordering mirrors on Amazon and worrying about handles. I take care of that little stuff so they can be on the job working. It's ready to go. Beautiful, beautiful appliances. Barn door coming into the new laundry room, which I'd love to do. Great value add play. This again used to be detached from the home. There's so much value in having direct access. The drain wasn't even hooked up properly. We had to trench and do a direct connect to the drain, and we built a little step here. This is great. This is a nice step down, so I don't like a big step. Obviously, it's a little dangerous and not to code. I like this. Good color on the beams. I like the gray, much better. This had all this just weird covering or whatnot in between, so we just drywalled in between these beams. Make sure this room is fully insulated. It feels good in here. It's super cold. Got good AC blowing. Feels real good, actually. Feels good. Great job. We're almost gonna fill this whole thing with concrete, and Carlos, again, the whole point of always stop, listen, and ask. Here's a great thing. When you're on a job site, before you tell someone to do or tell them what your ideas are, ask them. If this was your house, what do you do? You're gonna learn a lot quickly. These guys are far smarter than me. They're in the trades every single day. They know how to value engineer. It's an amazing question. The main question, if this was your house and you were gonna rent it, what would you do? What's up, baby? I did another fix and flip. This one's actually a buy and hold, paying another set of crews. And the boys, this is the gorgeous tree house. You've seen it before. And we're in the heart of downtown district of Glendale. This one's a beauty. Come on inside. I also got my handyman here. I like having the teams collaborate. So if he's gonna be in here waiting for a check, he'll jump in and be proactive and help the guys, maybe some welding, some plumbing or electrical. So all boys are always hands-on together and working as a great team. Boy, this thing looks good too. Woo, Daddy. Same thing, you notice the finishes. We got similar floors. We got our cabinets. We got the counters on. Appliances are here. New slider back here. You guys saw that door. You know, again, I don't do Band-Aids, I do full surgery. What's going on with this thing? There's fishes here for this?
Yeah, they were here.
They were here and living?
Yeah.
Who was feeding them?
No idea.
Oh my, I never even noticed them. They look like they're doing pretty good.
Yeah,
that guy looks like he's got a little something going on him. How'd you get him out? The bucket or just catch him?
No, I just catch him.
Wow. I need to order a dumpster for this so we get this trash out of here. Also, you need to get a gas inspection and Rockin', they gotta rebuild this patio and paint this. It's looking really, really good. God, this is looking good. AC's working, looks good. And for the next stop is, no contractors are here, but I'm at a news acquisition, walking through the property. The seller left the keys, so we're gonna go in there, secure the asset. I'm also meeting one of my other tenants who needs to give me keys because he's moving out. I said, I don't have time to come meet you at the property. Bring me the keys today. I will do the final walkthrough tomorrow, but at least I'll have the keys in my possession. So stand by, we're gonna walk the new acquisition, check on the condition, so it's ready to close, and then also meet the tenant to maximize the time. So let's come inside, let's see what we got here. I love this. Bienvenidos, mi casa es su casa. Welcome, my house is your house. Oh yeah. This is a winner chicken dinner. Looks really, really good. This is a super cute home. Acquisition price on this is $290. Exit on this is $380. It's a winner. It's a great rental. It's a good buy and hold, fix and flip. You can go multiple ways. Just a super clean home. Really, really like it. Little private yard, Turtle Creek community, tiled fireplace. House is what I call adorable. Really, really cute. So you already have granite counters, you got stainless steel appliances, but this is a very, very quick turn. Previous owner and tenant, super nice people. Left the keys on the counter as promised. Just doing that final walkthrough and we're rocking. Looks really, really good. Another bedroom, super clean. They left the TV mount, ain't no thing. This is open. Ooh, this is open. So you gotta secure that stuff. Old school step down bath, I hate that. I like to fill these in. You can see you come over here and you're like, oh, hey, ready to shower? And you go, ugh, not good, not good. Here's the little master suite. Nice, good sized master suite. And just good, cute home. Really good condition. Super clean, good home. Great rental property. If anything, I'd open this up a little bit right here, you know, take out this wall. So right behind here, we got that little bar. Take this out and it just opens up the whole place. So you walk in, you get a good visual of everything. Be nice to take this out. Hey guys, Zach here on the last stop of the day on this gorgeous multi-million-dollar flip property. I'm out here paying my final cruise over here. They're waiting patiently. Again, it's 5 o'clock. It's a long, long day. In summation, start the day with a great workout, get that blood flowing, get that good energy rocking and rolling, and then going out to see all your projects, making critical decisions out there, embracing the boys, congratulating them on their works, give them words of affirmation. People like that. It's not just about the paycheck. Give them the belly to belly, the hugs, the whole deal. Super excited to bring you the full extensive video on this comprehensive remodel coming up very, very shortly. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. There's a wealth of information on how to fix and flip and get to this level of the multi-million-dollar flips, not just the $200,000 and $300,000 entry level properties. So like, subscribe, share, send the love. We'll see you at the top. We'll see you soon. Actually, it wasn't the last house. I'm in my final house right now with my main man, Jaron, Mr. Masseuse. He's the man. It's time for a little decompression after a very compressed day of a lot of activity, a lot of action. Now it's time to shut it down, rejuvenate, relax, rinse and repeat. Another big one tomorrow. We'll see you soon.